My truck's been running about 20-25 minutes. I even drove it a mile down the road and it's still running the same exact way. Now once I get on the highway, I shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna, just to show. I'm gonna lay into it real hard and it might just clean up. Hold on, I'm trying not to get stuck. You can hear it. It sounds a little bit better, but it's still not perfect. And the brakes also catch really fucking hard when it's running like this. It's running perfect now. I don't understand this. I bought a whole nother truck because of this. If you have any ideas of what it could be, drop it down there in the comment section below, please and thank you. It'd be much obliged.